Mahindra recently launched the Marazzo MPV in India and it looks like it's off to a good start. In some parts of the country like Bengaluru and Coimbatore, the Marazzo now commands a waiting period for up to 6 weeks for certain variants. Dealers across the country have also unanimously told us that the popular variant on offer has been the top of the line version or the M8. In cities like Mumbai and Delhi, customers have to wait for 4 weeks to get their hands on the Marazzo. The Marazzo is more expensive than the soon-to-be replaced ERTIGA, but cheaper than the Tata HEXA and even the Toyota INNOVA CRYSTA. Maruti Suzuki has launched the Swift Limited Edition and has priced it at 4,99,000 rupees. The limited edition model is offered exclusively on the base LXI and LDI variants. The special edition version adds new features to the base trim of the hatchback, and that too at no extra cost. New features on the Swift Limited Edition include single-DIN Bluetooth stereo with 2 speakers and black painted wheel covers. In addition, the Swift L trim gets front power windows, ABS, dual front airbags and rear parking sensors as part of standard kit. There are no mechanical changes made to the model and comes with the same engines. Harley Davidson has announced the company's plans to enter the pre-owned bike market in India. Called the Harley Davidson Originals, it's a pre-owned program that offers a lot of benefits, including an official Harley Davidson warranty for 1 year with an option to extend the warranty for a further 2 or 3 years. All Harley Davidson Originals bikes come with a 99-point quality check assurance via stringent examination of the bikes. The push into the used motorcycle segment will help Harley Davidson ramp up sales and also market reach. The Royal Enfield Classic 350 standard version has been updated with a rear disc brake. The bike is priced at 1,47,000 rupees. The updated version comes weeks after the Classic 350 ABS was introduced as part of the new Signals edition. The company at the time said that it was in the process of upgrading its entire range to ABS, and the 350 with the rear disc brake is just a step in that direction. Sadly, there is no ABS yet on the base Classic 350.
If you like this video and you like what we do, well, you've got to simply subscribe to our channel. We'll keep things simple yet comprehensive.